Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some Coquito. Before we get started, take a moment to subscribe, hit that bell for notification, and if you like what you see, drop a like. With that being said, let's get in the kitchen and get it done. I'm going to start by making like a tea of sorts with some star anise. Some cloves, and some cinnamon sticks. Get that in the pot, let it come to a boil. Once it finishes boiling, we're going to strain it into a cup and put this in the refrigerator or the freezer and let it cool off. Now let's get started with the rest of our mixture. We're using some coconut milk, some condensed milk, some cream of coconut, and evaporated milk. We're going to get this all into a blender. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. You can adjust these amounts to your taste. And now that our tea is cooled off, we're going to add that. And the star of the show is some rum. 151 rum works best, but unfortunately I couldn't find any. Let's get this over and get it blended up. And it's just that simple. Coquito, or Puerto Rican eggnog. Very simple to make and very, very tasty drink. Cheers. That is delicious. I will catch you guys next week. Thank you for watching.